Good morning, welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we're working on the 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi V8 4x4. This thing's starting to look good. I don't know if you guys remember when I bought this. If you don't, go check out the video when it was brand new to me. This thing was ugly. It was ugly. I have no other words than ugly. Since then, we've replaced the front grille. You'll see in the camera it's black. We've replaced the headlights. They got a little more attitude. We've replaced the tires. We've replaced the rims. We've replaced the third brake light. We've replaced the rear shocks and whatever else I'm forgetting at the moment. Right now we're doing the front shocks. We're putting these Bilsteins in, and that's all you really care about listening to me talk, so we're going to go ahead and get started. These are 4600s. I'll link them down in the description below. Let's go. Boom, boom. That 4 seconds is not worth your fingers or your head or anything else. We're going to pick the truck up not by the suspension, we're going to pick it up by the frame, because we'll probably want to move the suspension later. Yeah. Yes, I know I could go this way and put my body weight into it. But that doesn't help build any muscle, boys. Yeah. Well, maybe it does if you don't put your weight into it. Right, rim off. All right, so we're gonna get started on the bottom right here. You may have seen me pull this off before for other videos, like the wheel hub assembly. Super easy to pull off. Just get your 21 millimeter. I think you guys can see, hope so. Need the deep socket. All right, so what we have right here is a pass-through ratchet. Okay, so as you can hopefully see, the whole shock is spinning, so we need something to hold that. Here's a crescent wrench. I'll stick that up there to keep that from moving. Oh. Okay, so once that breaks loose, you can pull this top nut off. Boop. And then you got a washer. And then you got a rubber absorber. Hey, it's actually raining now. Or a very heavy, nope, it's raining. Okay, pull this out. Now you're gonna go down and we're just gonna drop it down, just like so. All right, we can grab our new Bilstein shock absorber. Comes with the accessory pack. Yes, you need those. And then it comes with a shock absorber. Woohoo! Comes with paperwork, don't know what that says, don't care. Let's see. Got your typical decal. Mounting instructions, yeah, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna duplicate what we have here. We have the shock with the washer and then a rubber piece. So we're gonna do something similar. These are Gigantor washers. Okay, this is a little bit different than what we pulled off. Barely. We will look, just make sure. Well, either way, we know we're gonna put a washer down first. And then this has to go next. This is gonna slide in just like it came out. Slides up through the hole. This is gonna slide back down. And we'll put your nut on. Yes sir, 17 millimeter. Tighten her up. Once you get her threaded on, you come down here. We're just gonna lift the A-arm to match the hole. Until such a time. So Perfect. Take your bolt, stick it through, and go just a little bit more. Oh shoot. Sorry guys, thought I got that on camera. Okay, so that's in tight. I go back up here, tightening to this bad boy. Whoop. All right, now if the rod keeps spinning, this is going to be a 4.5mm Allen wrench. Put your ratchet or your socket, whatever you're using, in there. And of course, that's not going to be long enough. Stick this in upside in. There we go. And that's about tight. Boom, boom. We are in. Oh, yeah. All right, torque those suckers down to manufacturer torque specifications and you're good to go. You've saved a couple more $100. Here at Guy and His Projects, we're all about saving money, getting to know your vehicle, and being competent in what you do. If you don't feel confident or competent, don't do it, take it in. There's nothing wrong with taking your truck in to get it work done. This is just for the guys that want to get to know their vehicle a little bit more, learn a few things, save a couple dollars, and you know, growing your self-confidence. I'm not a mechanic. Don't do what I do, please, because I'm not a mechanic. Do everything at your own risk. If you like what you saw, leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share my videos, and keep watching. Got a lot of stuff done on this truck. We got lights, grills, tires, rims, all kinds of good stuff going on. Plenty of videos. We'll see you next time.